So, what does this mean? I don't know. I'm just a kid. Not anymore. Because we like it anyway. There's your dick, isn't? Hmm. No. It's just unconscious sometimes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So. Mm-hmm. control. Article number 29. Anyway, sending the transmission in relation to article number 29 is a difficult song in relation to our 30 quarter shore because the quad core is based upon the Blexison, because the Blexison is the Tekashang of law, and in relation to law, our intuition of a Nakanang is that the Methethe will be pointing itself into the Mongkong Songkong, because in a matter of time, if we can convert the Istokasan, we will Polokoson, the law, in relation to the Intikistan. But in that way, the Blokosan to number 29. Flamingo. Do you want to know how the animal is developed? Oh. The first ecosystem in relation to the third amount of technology is the complexity of the network, because the monogramma is the Nicola of the evolution, the Quadquaqua is the Christian. And in that way, based upon the Polakasan of law, the intuition of a parala is the Princess in that guy I met at Ross House. He's talking about religion. But in that way, the confluence of our law is our intuition of the network and also to Montesson, the Blikasa. As a matter of time, once we subsidize into the ecosystem of our vegetarian, no, that's it's not Hebrew. What is it? Elephant, foot. But I don't know. So in that way, when we launch our law in relation to our Dalakasang, that the usual is the Brixton. So being an actor, don't fuck me. I'll grenade you. So anyway, the complexity of our law is the Nikanang. Yes. And in that matter of time, if we can confluence in the Gerson of the Blackstone, the Blackstone of San Francisco is the Gerson. The lawyer is the Parwasang of the Kurston. And in so, if Rosho is Nangston, the law shall concern, which is none principle to Jesus. So in that way, if we can conflict the testosterone of the monofiber, the third degree of the alama is the testosterone of the procreation of the optimist eukaryotic progressor. Because in that way, the progressor will actually be Michason in the Nankanan in relation to a raw kra krim. And in that way, by my mother, Gui, It is a corrosion. So how was Vietnam made since Buddha traveled over Asia? So the Mikanan or the Mokong of the region of the Genesis, it will perform the secret ingredient. And in that time, with the secret ingredients, is that the Luxon of the local is eat well, live well, stay well. Yeah, mate. How are you? Not bad. Good. Yeah, mate. So in that way, the confluence of the Ninden is that the phototron will actually malang itself into the trichosis of the wall and to Ikasan, the fire bridge in relation to the transasan. So in that way, whatever you want to do in relation to your life, traveling to other countries, other countries, sharing your unity of your life cycle before your Tvatran. Donc, c'est ça, because one day you become Dalai Lama. I don't know. So anyway, in our customers away, we need to function because in that time, our money is just our money. But when we understand our bank fee and decision of the faxtatlan in relation to taxon, we will work out the next calculation of our money life. Because based upon our heritage, your mother died. And when your mother died, do you know Dalai Lama? Don't think so. Because your brain gets impaired. So within our heart, through the flexion of our carcasson, because Alex, murderer, asked my uncle the devil. So in that way, the carcasson of our manana is that our mother is just a kongkong, which means our penis is undersized by the murderer. So in that way, when we circumvent the convent of British colony when it started, there was no law, no producta, just civil in relation to our survivor. Years and years and years, days and days and days, conscience, years and years and kono, we all fuckwits. But nowadays, who's shown the dun of Johnny Depp, do loco, the seizes knife in relation to who. So, if you can taste like a helicopter, you know, the mastery of the So, in that time, being the third degree of the flexion of our law is the requisition of a protocol, because based upon our flexion symptom, the sakotasana kosho dalisa dalisa rakrisi siche shon shishi do fishi do guru. What kind of animal was that created our arms? Oh, so in that way, based upon our Dalesika Kristakan Dushkutum Bata Ni Bata Shala. So, Sri Lanka in relation to you. So, is this Delaman Dushon Dickerson? Yeah, mate, how you going? Not bad. Thanks. Very soon. Yeah, John. Hello. So, so, here you go. Hmm, hmm, hmm. So, legacy, gosh, so, is that a kangaroo or something else? I don't know. But Kashi Kana Nini Kutu Bend cousin. The delicacy of your law. Yeah. Yes, no. Hey, mate, how you going? Good, thanks. So in that way, the question or the selection of our law is the contact law. That's what you call it.